Inform Electronic has been operating in power electronics sector for over 40 years and is the biggest and reliable solution partner in Turkey for uninterrupted and clean energy. Inform Electronic is one of the group companies of Legrand Turkey Group since 2010. Legrand Group, founded in France in 1860, is a global specialist in electrical and digital building infrastructure, committed to supporting technological, social, and environmental change. With business operations in 180 countries, nearly 40,000 employees, and a product capacity of around 300,000 different products, Legrand Group provides complete system solutions for commercial and industrial buildings. Legrand Group's mission is improving lives with values of embracing inclusiveness, aiming for simplicity and capturing the future. Legrand Turkey Group has been operating in Turkey since 1990 and works for a sustainable future with powerful brands: Legrand, Inform, Estap, and Vetecino. Legrand Turkey Group has 2 factories in Gebze, Kocaeli, in addition to headquarters in Istanbul and regional offices. With more than 1,000 direct employees, Legrand Turkey Group makes a great contribution to Turkish economy. Inform Electronic, which has been a part of Legrand Turkey Group since 2010 and merged with Estap, rack cabinet manufacturer, in 2015, is the biggest and most reliable solution partner in Turkey. Inform Electronics is operating in the fields of power electronics, uninterrupted and clean energy without compromising on quality by expanding its brands all over the world. Inform Electronic manufactures uninterruptible power supplies, energy storage systems, 19-inch rack cabinets, and data center cabinets in Pilitli factory, which they moved to in 2019 and structured according to Industry 4.0 approach. In addition to manufacturing capabilities, Inform Electronic has an R&D center recognized by Ministry of Economy. Focusing to maximizing customer experience goal, Inform Electronic has a customer service center with a service network spread throughout Turkey. Legrand Turkey Group, which is among the reputable and leading organizations that carry technology forward and contribute to the development of the electrical and digital infrastructure sector, also undertakes an important social responsibility with its environmentally friendly technologies and energy-efficient solutions. Legrand Turkey Group would continue to improve lives by transforming the spaces where people live and work with innovative and sustainable solutions.